Today morning at 5:30 am there was a landslip between Castle Rock and Karanjol stations. These stations fall between Londa and Marmahova and Madgaon. This stretch is within Hubli division of Southwestern Railway. There were incessant rains for past 3 days, and this might have caused the landslip. Because of this landslip, 12080, that's Hazrat Nizamuddin to Goa special train, this was detained, and our staff and contract laborers around 80 members have worked continuously, and this area was not approachable by road, so we could not move machines by road. We have loaded a procliner on one of the railway wagons, and that was taken to site. With help of that procliner plus this labor, the track was certified fit by restoring all the mud that had fallen over. Approximately 700 cubic meter of earth had fallen over the railway track, which needs to be cleared for safe passage of trains. That was done, and track was certified fit. After which, at the 3-ton first train, that is this Nizamuddin Vasco train, had passed this particular affected area. And to minimize the inconvenience to all the passengers, around 150 passengers were there on board. We have backed the train and taken them to Castle Rock and provided them with breakfast and water in the morning. And lunch also was prepared at crew running room of Castle Rock, and lunch too was served. After which we arranged buses in case the restoration gets delayed. We arranged buses from Belgavi, but by the time the buses could reach Castle Rock to transport passengers to Goa, track was restored and train could be moved.